Hello everyone, so in this video today I will be teaching guys watching how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. And the first step is to simply open the application. Uh, then what you want to do is to simply go to your account by clicking on the top left corner and then click on the settings option and then scroll down till you see the option of delete my account. Then simply click on it. Because I don't have my account logged and I'm just using the Snapchat for my camera access, I cannot delete. But if you have a login your main account and if you want to delete, it will ask for a confirmation, and then it will give you an option to simply delete or deactivate. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily permanently delete your Snapchat account uh, on your mobile. It could either be an iOS or Android, it does not matter. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's all from my side. Bye bye.